All right, let me get this link out. What's up, bitches? Bitches! I'm cold. Asados. We are live now. I am live now, I said in Telegram. Happy New Year, boy. What's up, Nico Castellucci? Did with the greatest name of all time. How about them Eagles? Yeah, my wife's uncle and aunt are Eagles fans, and so they were excited. I was happy for them because, I mean, I'm a Browns fan, but I'm a Packers fan too. And I hate the Bears. And I love laughing at them and the Vikings' misery in the playoffs. At least the Bears have won a Super Bowl. The Vikings, they have the most pompous fans, and they've never won shit. They haven't won shit. That is a loser franchise. But yes, so I say that as a Browns fan. Hey, we have won like 13 championships, right? Just not haven't ever been in the Super Bowl. But yeah, so what's up, guys? Hey, that kick yesterday in that Bears-Eagles game was tipped. Go back and look at it. Like Trayvon Webster or something like that is his name. I can't remember. He tipped it. So everybody's like giving the boo birds to the kicker. And it wasn't the kicker's fault. The kick was blocked. So the second that ball touched that guy's finger, it wasn't the kicker's fault anymore. Because that can change the kick trajectory. I got a full French press. You guys, have you tried French press coffee? This shit is where it's at. This is good shit. Is the bottom hot? The bottom's not that hot. Yeah, it's good stuff. It's roosting. I made it yesterday, Saturday. And I pressed it right away, and my wife said, "You have to let it roost." Like, oh, shit. I forgot. Yeah, so it's like it's like a tea bag. You gotta let it soak for a minute. All right, well, that's enough. Let's press this down. Get ourselves a fresh cup of coffee. I don't think I put quite enough coffee in it. Or maybe I put too much water. I like my coffee super strong. This looks like pussy boil water. Whatever. It's coffee. Who cares? Ow, it's hot. We got to pour this live on cam. You guys got to see this, right? This freshness coming out. Oh, baby. That's all right. It's good. Man, I got more than one cup here. What's up, bitch? Yeah. All right. So, first things first. I want to show you guys a commercial before we get into crypto. You guys know this is how I do it. I want to show you guys a commercial. All right, hold up. YouTube. You guys are going to laugh your ass off at this. I'm certain of it. This is the most ridiculous commercial of all time. Oh, yeah. Yes. Found.
Hey, Mom! Parents in bed, but it's just 8 o'clock. That's why they taught you should always knock. He needs Ragu, 'cause growing up's tough. Give him Ragu, he's been through enough. Long Dave Childhood calls for America's favorite pasta sauce.
That's the most ridiculous fucking commercial of all time. So, the kid walks in on his parents having sex and is mentally scarred, so they give him Ragu. Which is pasta sauce. It's shit. I've got the best commercial idea in the world. And I think this is the one to really take Ragu to the top. So, this fat kid, okay, we're going to cast a fat kid. He's going to walk upstairs and he's going to walk in his parents' room and he's going to look mortified because his parents are having sex, right? And then we're going to prescribe his mortification with our pasta sauce. All right. Crazy. All right. Let's see here. Crypto. Hey, EOS, by the way. These are too thick. This is bothering me. And now my computer wants to lag. Awesome. Okay. We'll look at longs versus shorts. Bitfinex right now, I believe, is having downtime for a few hours. Nothing fucky has happened in the market yet. Bitcoin shorts versus longs are like, dude, there's like 9K more shorts than long, or more longs than shorts. It might not drive the price a certain way yet, but that's a pretty big disparity. Price might need to come down to close those a little bit. Shorts are really low for a bear market. Keep that in mind. Looking at EOS though, right now, EOS is breaking the trend line. It's breaking the trend line. So like maybe shorting right under 70K could be a good idea. This trend line has happened since December, but you got to also remember this can be called like a bullish pattern. So keep that in mind. I'm probably not going to take this cuz I'm a puss. But man, why are my level lines like so thick? Why is everything so thick? That's what she said. It's still above the 236, which is like 68,590. So still immediately bullish. My dogs are barking. Hey! Come here. Knock it off. Wait, sit. Sit. What are you barking at? What? You live a silent life. Sit. There is no barking. You live a silent life. You're a monk. Do you understand? Don't wag your tail at me. Sit. Don't bark. You be a good example for your younger sister. Hey, were you barking? You knock it off. You're too sweet for that. And then she brings me this. Let go. This disgusting thing. Santa's baby. How can I get mad at that? Santa's baby. There you go. Go have fun. To like 60K and 57.8. That's something I'm looking at right now. You can short that on BitMEX. Looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin had an awesome move yesterday, right? Had an awesome move. Now, this line isn't established yet. This could push higher and we'll be good to go. I drew it just because, right? Because if I want to keep this line, and I guess I'll make it a different color and make it thinner. Let them be doctors and lawyers and such. This could be like a bigger kind of symmetrical triangle bullish pennant thing, right? Playing out. There's your flagpole. Leans bullish. Should take you somewhere around 48 just by the looks of it, maybe higher. Yeah, there you go. Almost exactly on a measured move. Something to think about. Now, big resistance is going to come in a few areas, obviously. Let's say that we do break upwards. Just draw horizontals. Right there. 42, 44, 50-ish, you know, those areas. Market's been bullish. Doesn't mean it's long-term bullish yet. Everything is like blown up here. I don't get it. It's above the 236 of the drop right now. That's good. 39.40. I wanted to stay above that at all costs. But look, man, here's the deal. Okay? Here's the deal. Inverse head and shoulders. And we can even call it that. You can do this. You can do it that. Something like that. Up here, maybe. Volume. Declining. Declining. It matches the profile, man. Shit, I think this shit is bullish, to be honest with you. And, I mean, is there a bear div? No. If you zoom out, man, this shit looks healthy. It might need to come back down to like 38, 39, retest this little downtrend line, this little diagonal resistance before continuing on. But this looks bullish, man. Look at the weekly. It's a nice weekly candle, man. It's like if you play weeklies, this is like your resistance right here, like 4106-ish. Above that, peace out, baby. We'll see you at 48 for sure. But these things take time. You know, if we go to Bitfinex, we could be in the midst of this move right here. Like right here. Like right here. Come back up. Test it. Test the breakdown area. Now for Bitcoin, that would be in the 5,000s. Not that it will, but and then you come back down, put a higher low in, range. People get the same fear that they had when you came back down here and ranged, and then it finally broke down. But yeah, and then if we look at silver, like silver's kind of going through that whole thing right now too. Breakdown, retest. Okay? Markets do this shit. Now, you can call this double bottom, absolutely. And so, like, it's crazy to think about silver. Not that you guys care about silver, but if we're going to use Bitcoin as a store of value, we got to look at commodities. Like descending triangle, right? Didn't Bitcoin just go through that? Let's go weekly close. Solid weekly close right here. Probably still looking up to 48 to 52, 59. Like, look, like these levels right here, this little pocket, either 0.5 or the golden pocket. One of those two will be resistance. It's hard to tell. Depends on the strength of the move. On the like 4-hour time frame, volume's been solid, man. It's been all bull. All bull, baby. It's been all bull. I mean, ETH's got that Constantinople. How do you come up with these names? ETH's volume is drying up here at the top. This rising wedge broke down. And we'll move this up here because this hadn't broken up. False breakout yet. You know, we could be looking to 337 or 3185. 0.5618. I would like to see how it reacts to 365 first, though. Right at this top area. Like, fuck the fib levels. Let's play horizontals here. See? 3.6-ish. Probably not a bad long area, to be honest, for a bounce. Let it come down. Look at the day chart. The day chart says like 2.8. I doubt it. Maybe in time, yeah, sure. Like this, I don't know, man. If I look at it, like this 0.5 fib area right over here looks fantastic for a retest, like 3.4. We'll see. Can you guys say something in the chat like Noah, fuck you or something, please? Nobody laughed at my commercial that I think is hilarious. It's not bad. I didn't put enough coffee in there. Just needed another scoop. It's alright. Ain't no thing, ain't no thing. Alright. What do you guys want to see? What do you want to look at? I'm going to look at Litecoin while you're telling me. Litecoin back down to like 32-ish. You look at these horizontals here. Right around here. Could even go down to like 32.20. This was a pretty clean head and shoulders breakout, man. That's an inverse head and shoulders if I've ever seen one, right? Now if we go into my 4-hour chart, the 6-hour chart probably make a little bit more sense when I'm drawing this shit here. There you go. This would lead to 32-ish as well. Probably not a bad place to buy. Probably not a bad place to buy. But this had an awesome volume breakout, man. Now this will probably want to come back down and test 3570-ish. Test that neckline. But she looks good. She be looking good. What about Icon? Retesting. Stalled at horizontal resistance. Retesting here. If we look at ZIL, I think it did the same thing. I think if it did the same thing. Not really. Although icon would be like right here. VPVR, get out of here. You're mucking up my shit. Zill's bullish, man. As long as it stays above 529. 529? What's Ripple doing? Oh, right on this line. Dogs, I will whip the shit out you. Not really. I would never hit my dogs. Jordy. Get your ass in here, boy. Do you not love me? Do you not respect me? You don't? He just shook his head. All right. I understand. I wouldn't either. If you guys want a long Ripple, this could be the spot for a bounce. And I would start taking money off around 95. Stop below 9K. Trade-in is fun. Russ says Wank-Hane. Wanchain, I always call it the Quasimodo inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, I'd buy this shit. Fuck yeah, I'd buy this shit. It takes him off a 10.5 again. And then after that, 12.2. Stop out below 86. See what happens. QKC. Is it good below 950? Oh, be out here, boy. 925 to 930 is where I buy this shit. And if I could get it down here under 900, I would. That's a 618 of the current move on trend line support. And let me look at the 6 hour. This says 800. I don't think so. I mean, it could. Yeah. Maybe save some for the 786 there, bud. I wouldn't be too quick to get in this, though. Oh. Coffee in the Morning is good. A short poem by Noah. Coffee in the morning is good. Coffee in the morning is great. I like drinking coffee when I'm early. I like drinking coffee when I'm late. I'll drink coffee for business. I'll drink coffee on a date. But I won't drink coffee with someone if that someone is someone I hate. Thank you. I just made that up. Happy New Year, Restless. What's up, dude? Oh, what's up, man? How you doing, buddy? John McGuire not speaking in English. He wants Neobatus. Just kidding. Neo? Yeah, man. Johnny Mags. She ain't be looking bad. She breaking bowl, bitch. Yeah, we're looking up to like, dude, is low as 230 and as high as 248, 250-ish. This is an inverse Head and Shoulders. And, like, this is an inverse fucking Head and Shoulders. Show me the volume. Oh, yeah. Declining right shoulder volume, but still a breakout. Let's go, baby. Oh, this looks good. This is one of the best inverse Head and Shoulders I've seen in a while. This and Litecoins. And you said mainframe? Oh, you gotta buy the double bottom here, or else she's going lower. Either buy the double bottom or she's going lower. And the low of this was 66. It's a lot to lose, man. That's like fucking 13% plus slippage. I'd call it 15. So nice when it's cold and you have coffee in your hands. You just forget drinking it. You just put your hands on the coffee. It's nice. Keeps your hands warm. Makes you feel like a big, strong man is holding you. Big, strong man like Johnny Mags. What else do you guys want to see? I don't think the bull move is done yet. But, you know, I'd be looking to definitely be taking profits, guys. At certain levels. Nano. Let's do it. Nana. Trying to put in a higher low here. Get this off. Put this on. It's good volume. The daily volume looks worse than the 4-hour. 4-hour volume was great. Look, man, here's the deal, okay? This looks like a bear flag. Understand it. Know where you're wrong. You're wrong, like, you could even go, like, below 22. You want this to hold. This needs to bounce here. Okay, because there's 2 points of contact up top and 3 on the bottom. So, and the 6 hour is obviously going to look different than the day if I draw it. So there you go. There is, I don't know why this is so fucky. There we go. This needs to bounce in this zone. There's your bear flag, okay? 2 points of contact up top, 3 on the bottom. So it's more likely to break down, not to mention it's a bearish flag. But the volume is with the bulls right now. And it'll probably go as everything else goes. There's a lot of bullish setups right now. Just because you're getting pullbacks doesn't mean it's not bullish. So this is probably a good area to buy. And we'll see. We shall see. Y'all done ADA? Native wants to know, y'all done ADA? We ain't done ADA yet, boy. Oh, look, there my arrow. Look at it go. Next resistance should be 1250-ish. It got there. And you might be looking at a pullback. My only worry is you don't want this to pull back. Like NEM did. See how this aggressive growth curve here? And then look at NEM. Woo, looks great. Yay. Look at cash. Sold the top of this cash. I sold cash above 6K. See that? Oh, yeah, everything's great. IOTA. Oh, everything's great. ADA, IOTA, they kind of look the same, don't they? IOTA just looks ahead of ADA. You can short ADA. There's IOTA. Little bit lower low, but not by much. Sets up a daily bull div, guaranteed. Probably even a 3-day bull div. Yep. Same. Exact setup, man. It's the exact setup. It's just a matter of if it finds support or not. The other ones didn't. ADA's a larger cap. Will it find support? We'll see. Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. What's Tomo doing? Did Tomo hit my buys yet? I got buys around like 63. I want to hit this Kijun. It's Daily Cloud bullish. Aeon warming up too? Yeah. Yeah, Aeon don't look half bad. Hit my buy zone. It's fucking nice. Binby. Could be pulling a Zem. A Nem. Enigma. Trying it. I don't know though, man. Guys, you don't need to be taking too many positions today, man. You know, I'd probably be buying Bitcoin around 38. ETH. It's got volume support at 136, 137. I'd long it there for a bounce. Don't lose money on it. But yeah. All right, that's the crypto markets. Like the video. I'll be back tomorrow. We're in a holding pattern right now, guys. Don't go market buying everything. You know, I'd probably be looking at Bitcoin around 37.50 to 38. Ethereum around 137. I like that. I like Litecoin around 32 to 33. The money's with the big caps right now. It hasn't trickled down too much into the smaller, into the medium caps. So those are the three that I'd try to play. I want to look at Monero real quick. Because I've been meaning to scoop a bag of this shit and I haven't done it yet. Not yet. Zill's moving. Trying to put up a Zildo. Doesn't it have like mainnet coming up? One thing I've noticed on Zcoin, guys, is look at these wicks. If you just buy ranges and put sells up here, you can hit that multiple times. Like I used to do this all the time with Zcoin when it was in this range. I did it like 4 or 5 times. It's the spikiest fucking coin ever. Like if you would buy it like right here and sell right there, that's 20%. You could have done that 3 times since October. So, look for shit like that. Damn it. Fark you, Muggsy. How's it going, buddy? Fark you. Fark. Pivx. Anybody know what Pivx means? Pivx is Hungarian for pleb. It's a joke. You don't gotta get mad at me. Plebix. I know this isn't the chart I want. I don't want that one. Gold has fucking been ripping, man. Uncertainty in the market. Oh, there's a lot of support. 90% down from here. Really? Yeah, I agree. I'd probably try it around 180-ish. Maybe. I wouldn't be buying too much of it, though. Looks like shit. Looks like shit. All right, guys. Subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. You know where to find me. One love.